This problem says Ben and his friends are going to play putt-putt. At one location, they can pay $2 for rentals plus $7.50 per game. At another location, it would cost $8 for rentals plus $6 per game. How many games would they have to play in order for either location to cost the same amount? So let's go ahead and do step number 1. Let's highlight some key information. First, it says they can pay $2 for rentals at the first place, plus an additional $7.50 per game. Now, let's go ahead and let's look at the second place. At the second location, it costs $8 for the rentals, plus $6 per game. And then finally, what we want to do is we want to try to figure out when the costs are going to be the same. So that means we're going to set them equal to each other. So again, let's figure out what we're looking for. We're looking for x. Whoops, sorry about that. We are looking for x, and x is going to stand for the thing that we don't know. So what don't we know? We don't know the number of games that they're going to play in order for them to be equal. So x is going to stand for the number of games. Now, I like to write down a little scenario here in words and what we're trying to do. We're going to try to have the first location costs set equal to the second location costs. And what are the costs made of? They're made up of the rentals and the games. So let's look at the first location. The rentals are exactly $2, but then we're going to add on the cost of all of the games. All we know is that it's $7.50 for each one. But since we don't know x, the number of games that we need to play, it's just going to be $7.50 times x. Think about it. If you played one game, it'd be $7.50 times 1. 2 games, $7.50 times 2, and so on. So x games is $7.50 times x. Now we're going to set that equal to the second location. And the second location, the rentals were $8 plus, and the games are $6 per game. So that's just 6 times x. So the way that we'll figure out how many games that you would have to play in order for the first location to equal the second location's cost, it would be 2 plus $7.50 times x equal to 8 plus 6x.